Well, here's a look at the market for the E-mini S&P for Thursday, April the 22nd. Yesterday on the video I had mentioned that if the market can hold below around 95 or so, then it could have a dip down to 84. You can see this is where it opened in the overnight. The overnight was quite volatile. Opened here, rallied all the way up to 04, which was the resistance. So we really had kind of three areas here we were looking at. We were looking at 04 for resistance, which acted very nicely. 84 is support, reached down about 86. And then this other barrier here around 95. And as you can see, overnight opened here, had a good rally up, and then finished the overnight session here, opened here in the regular trading hours, and in the regular trading hours is when it had that dip that found some pretty good buying, and then as you know, the rest of the day rallied very strongly, getting all the way up to 07 before it came back here and closed around 1202. So what we're looking at now is probably support in around 98 and probably resistance in around 05. So that's kind of the what we're looking at right now. As far as likely containment for the market for tomorrow. Tomorrow there is news to be released, durable goods and new home sales, 8:30 and 10 o'clock respectively, and that either one of them could move the market. Of course, this morning the market was moved quite a bit with the news from Europe about Greece, and apparently the situation being worse than what everyone was led to believe. Here's the profiles from just the regular trading hours only, and we also use that in our analysis. When the market sold off, we did have a short trade in here that we got stopped out on, and unfortunately that kind of trade, when it does get stopped, it really is a strong indication that the market is just way too strong. So this area actually became, as a result of that, more of a capitulation with the expectation the market would rally for the rest of the day. Unfortunately, we just missed getting filled here on a long trade in here and a long trade in here. And so that would have been our second and third trades. Unfortunately, it didn't quite reach it, didn't quite set up properly to get into those trades, and as a result, we only ended up with a one trade today. So somewhat disappointing, only one trade and getting stopped out. Although our traders that have been with us for a while would have been reading this and realizing that that kind of failure of that particular trade type is a good indication that the market is likely to turn around and be pretty strong in the opposite direction. And there were certainly some opportunities. You can see here we had a couple of really good opportunities on deceleration there in order to get long. And we didn't really have another deceleration as the market rallied up other than this attempt right in here to try and get long. And so that's really what ended up by happening here today. So not one of our more spectacular days. I wish it could have been better. Especially considering the market had such a good movement, but just didn't quite get set up for our trade types. But in understanding the market behavior, obviously gave us an opportunity to go ahead and make a move. And so those traders that are more familiar, been with us perhaps a little bit longer, really could understand the market here and what it was doing in order to get onto the long side and still get some good profits today. So that's a quick look at the market for today. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com, and we always enjoy hearing from you. Questions or comments are always welcome. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.